All right, so today we're doing Botox for TMJ and teeth grinding, and we're gonna do masseter and temporalis muscle. So here we go with the masseter, and go ahead and bite down. Okay, we find the muscle right here, so relax. Okay, and that's the masseter. Got one down. And then we're gonna go to the temporalis in 3 spots, so go ahead and bite down again. Okay, relax. Okay, a little crunchy here. Okay, and bite down again. And relax. Okay. And then move your face to the side a little bit. And bite down one more time. Okay, and relax. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's the right side, and we jump to the other side now. Okay, and go ahead and bite down again, and relax. Okay. And one more time, bite down, and relax. And turn that way a little bit. Go ahead and bite down again. Okay, relax. You have pretty strong masseter muscle. And then one more time, bite down. Okay, relax. Actually, I'm gonna go a little bit forward. And one more time. Okay, relax. Alright, and that's pretty much it. So this is gonna take full effect in about anywhere from 3 to 4 days. It's gonna start kicking in, and then it should last anywhere from 3 to 6 months, depending on how fast your body metabolizes things.
Okay.